right now.
It is cold. It is very, very cold outside.
It's not really that bad.
No, it's like the Arctic tundra. It's freezing. I mean, I'm still shivering. My eyelashes are frozen together. My hair's like icicles.
Well, calm down. Let me warm you up.
Right. That's better. Okay. You know what? I could stay here and never leave this house for the rest of my life.
That's nice. It's a lie, but it's a nice lie.
That's not a lie. It's true. Hold me tighter.
Thank you.
For using you as a human furnace?
Don't give me some peace and quiet. Just a couple of moments we don't have to worry about anything.
Yeah, well, I'm still a little worried. I mean, one walk in the Pennsylvania Arctic is not going to take away what happened to you.
Maybe this will. Let me try something. Do you mind? Okay. Huh?
That's a very nice diversion. That's good, but I need something else. That didn't do the trick. Yeah. Oh, my favorite little forehead spot.
Yeah?
That's very smart, but you know what? Nah, I mean, kiss me all you want. You can kiss me all over. I'm not going to stop talking. I'm just going to keep talking. Blah, blah, blah.
To paraphrase my favorite movie, not that I don't love the seduction scene you have going, but, you had me at a low.
That's very clever. Tonight is all about relaxing, okay? And being quiet.
Okay, but, I thought you liked it when I made sexy sounds.
Oh, I do. But, like I said, tonight's about being gentle and soft and getting back to who you are.
Okay.
All right, so just lie down on your front and let me do what I do best.
What are you doing?
It's called Reiki.
Does it come with sushi?
No. It's a Japanese term for universal energy that promotes healing on every level.
How about I show you something I know?
Where you going?
Going to check on the boys.
Boys are fine. There's a monitor right here. You stay with me.
Are you sure you're okay?
Never been better.
Yeah, well, I am completely starving, so I'm gonna go and get that leftover pasta in the fridge. Do you want any?
I'll have a slice of scotch, please.
A slice of scotch?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Come out. Ugh. Hello? Hi. Tomorrow night, yeah. Of course, just, email me the information and we'll be there. Hi. That's really weird.
What? What's up?
Well, that was Colby. She is inviting us to a wedding party for Crystal and Ted at the Valley Inn tomorrow.
Really? On the guest list? Nice.
Yeah. I wonder what that's about.
Don't worry so much. Come on. Tell me a story. So it felt good? You feel good?
Yeah. I feel wonderful. A total, gentle, sexual convert.
Good.
And what I said before about another woman,
Yeah, I'm sorry.
No.
I overreacted.
Aidan. I know you've been through a lot, too. And telling me that I come first, I've never heard that from a man before and actually believed it.
Well, believe it, because it's true.
I do. And I trust you, Aidan. More than anyone. Maybe he's right. Some things are better left unsaid.
No, Hannah, I've got you. I'll protect you.
I'm slipping! You're losing me!
Oh, no, you hold on, hold on!
No! No!
On the next All My Children.
I can't believe it. This is like a really bad.
How can you sit there so calm with that silly little grin on your face while you sentence me to death?
If you do it my way, Richie, you just might live.
Watch weekdays on ABC, weeknights on Soap.